Hello, in this video you will learn how to use the GeoE3 data joining service. You will see how statistical data can be joined from the BXWeb API of Statistics Finland with geospatial datasets. So the video will show you how to join statistical data of game animal collisions with the Finnish municipalities dataset. And you can open the service on your browser. First, we will select language. There are 3 different options available: English, Finnish, and Swedish. And the selection has an influence on the user interface and the retrieved statistical metadata and data. In this case, we select English. And then we can select statistical database from the BXWeb API. There are 2 options available. The first, Kokeelliset tilastot database contains experimental statistics about different things, and the Kuntien available database contains statistics related to municipalities. We select the first one. And next, we can select statistical topic. There are 4 options available, but we select game animal collisions. And then we can select statistical table. There are 2 options available: monthly and yearly game animal collisions from 2017 to 2021. In this case, we select yearly game animal collisions. Metadata of yearly game animal collisions statistical table is now retrieved from the BXWeb API, and variables are listed below. Then we can select area. It determines the geospatial dataset that we will join the data with, and we have 2 different options: Finnish regions from the year 2021 and municipalities from the same year. And now we select municipalities. The yearly version of areal divisions to which the data applies to is indicated in the statistical table metadata. And we select municipalities 2021 because statistical data has been calculated using areal divisions from the 2021. And next we can select road class. We select total. And then we can select animal. We select moose. And we can also select the year. We can select the same year, 2021. And lastly, we select amount from information. And after that, we can execute the join by clicking the join button. This will first retrieve the statistical data from BXWeb API based on the selection that we made, and after that it creates a query to the OGC API join service for joining the datasets together. And now the join is ready, we can see the results page. It contains general information of the join operation in the upper left corner, like the date, collection, and attribute data file. And below that, you can see how successful the join was. So in this case, we had 2092 joined rows and 17 unjoined rows, and 0 additional or duplicate rows. And on the right side window, there is a map preview that has been created with the Oscari RPC functionality. So you can zoom it and move your mouse and see what kind of numbers the municipalities get. For example, in Oulu, we had 16 moose collisions in year 2021. And then there is also a legend. And finally, and most importantly, there are some download links where you can download the joined data in various formats. And after that, you can use the data on your computer, for example, in the desktop GIS applications.